I'm at V6.
Oh, we got.
Jerry better take that piss fast.
There's another car that's flying past behind him as well.
Alright, here they come. Coming over the bridge.
Eyes got eyes.
3 cars, 3 bikes. 4 cars, 3 bikes.
I'm going inside. I'm pushing inside. I'm inside.
They're all going to the front. Nope, they're going to the back.
That's them.
They're
Crawling over the wall. That's the back of the clubhouse. They're crawling over the wall.
Should I push up?
I don't know. If you have a gun,
The
probably.
horn.
The back side of the wall.
I'm inside. I'm inside. They don't know I'm here. Oh, they got cops here. Fuck's
am I
sake.
shooting at one of
Ranger,
us?
Ranger.
If I am, I'm sorry. Shadow, your side of the wall, north.
Behind the trailer. He's in the road.
Is that one of us on the roof?
Yes, we have friendly on.
Okay, making sure.
One friendly inside.
Whoever's
about
on the whoever's on the roof, backside of the clubhouse.
They're talking about me.
Is that one of us running at the front of the wall?
If it's a white shirt, it's me. If not, I don't know.
Running around in circles in front.
Please announce
Yeah, I am.
yourself
Yeah,
before
white
you
shirt.
enter this room. Please announce yourself before you enter the inside.
Keep
Stop
up on the
shooting.
rail
I'm getting
tree
shot
by
at
the
from the
entrance.
roof.
Yeah, stop shooting. That's us.
On the
Is
hill.
that one of our own on the roof?
Inside the clubhouse.
Shadow, right? Shadow.
There's a bunch on the roof, a bunch.
That's not us then.
More
They're
people.
with the other guy.
We're taking shots.
Shadow might not be up. Take whoever's on the roof.
They're on the backside.
They're jumping down now.
Confirm. Shadow's down on the roof.
Take these fuckers' guns if you can, man. If you need ammo, take their shit.
Sounds like they're looting. I just heard someone say take their guns.
Yeah, they're in that back right corner.
I'm not in a condition to swim out.
Who's up front?
They're in the back of the clubhouse.
Come find Rockwell.
Hey, I mean, I don't know if they'll push you guys. They know we're out here. They're gonna shoot at us.
No, they're not gonna push. They're gonna try to fucking exfil out the back.
How many of y'all got up in there?
I don't think we got any of.
I'm getting shot at from up on the hill now. Pinned right here. If someone can shoot that person.
Cops are coming too. I see a bunch of whites heading down.
You guys can lure them out to the front gate. I can hit them in the.
The cops are coming. We gotta get ready to bounce.
Front, to the right, to the right.
They spotted you.
It's an ambulance.
Who's outside out front? Walking.
White shirt, it's me.
Are you walking?
They're shooting me from just where their head's fucking visible. Shoot that motherfucker. Left side of the compound.
Another one down.
Yo, get him where the light is on the left side of the compound.
I can't
He pops
see
his
him.
head up again.
We're watching. We're watching.
Come on, bitch! Pop your fucking head up again like a motherfucker!
I think there's only one back there if y'all want to push. I don't see any more peeking their heads.
I think there's more back there. I think there's more
There's
back there.
minimum
They were
two.
talking about
Yeah,
looting.
there's definitely more. He's got a fucking MG or something. AMG. SM.
He has a tactical SMG.
Someone's got a cocktail, right?
Nope.
Yeah, what?
Thinking if you throw one in this back right corner of the compound, you might get some. I feel like that's where they're
Yo, we gotta
grouping.
hurry this up before the cops come. Let's go. Push them. All my guys, push them.
Yeah, someone got shot. Someone crashed the plane.
Grey Wolves, you guys still up? Hello?
I'm here.
Grey Wolves.
I'm up.
Remember, there was one on the left side. Shooting on the low ground.
Is that us out front?
We're out front.
Okay.
It's an ambulance.
I can move from my sniper position to help you guys.
Yeah, we need to all go in and get our boys up.
It's me coming over the wall, Z.
I think cops are here.